This video truly is for all those last minute Halloween costumes. I hope you guys can enjoy it as much as I did making it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below for my Instagram and my Snapchat. Now let's start!
DIY witch costume. For this costume, we're going to get a witch hat and put it on. We're also going to put on a choker. Then we're going to get a trash bag and we're going to put the side that doesn't open on our choker like I am doing. Then get a purse and that's it, and it looks super fabulous. You will be the prettiest witch on the whole party. DIY bat costume. For this DIY, we're going to put on some cat ears, then a belt. I decided to put on some metallic blue shoes to give a little hint of color to this costume and make this costume more fun. Get a trash bag and cut where the bag does not open. Then open your bag, and if you don't have a friend to help you out, get tape. Put the bag like this on the wall. Make sure that the bag on the top it's the same height as your shoulder, and then make sure where you're going to start cutting is the same height as your waist. Then we're going to cut imitating these red lines like I am doing right now. When you're done, you're going to take it off the wall, then you're going to open it and cut where it's not open. And then we're going to fold this part like this and cut a straight line so our finger can fit. And that's it, and it looks super amazing. Like, oh my god, I love how these bat wings look, and they look so fashionable. DIY cat costume. For this DIY, we're going to get a trash bag and we're going to cut it where it does not open. Then when we're finished, we're going to open the trash bag and then we're going to cut a straight line down the middle. And this will be our skirt. We're going to wrap it around our waist. And then we're going to hold it with a belt like I am doing right now. Then we're going to accommodate the bag in the belt so it can look even better. Then we're going to put on some shoes. I decided to get strapped shoes so it can look even more prettier. And we're going to get an eyeliner. We're going to draw a little nose and whiskers, and that's it. Get your bag and go to that party and you will look like a fashion icon. I am impressed how good this outfit looks. I would love to know on the comments, what are you going to wear this Halloween?
That's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a huge thumbs up and comment down below, follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat. See you later, so goodbye. Bye!